Welcome to English for Beginners, where today we are going to start the first lesson of this book. There's a lesson in that. We are going to read and discuss a fable and explore features of a fable. What is a fable? Is it a fiction or non-fiction? It is a non-fiction. And what exactly is non-fiction? Means not true exactly. Because in a fable, animals talk, and in real, where do they? Now we're going to discuss what makes the story a fable with a partner. Do you know any of these famous fables? The fox and the crow, the tortoise and the hare, or the lion and the mouse? If you do know, then tell me down in the comment section below and do tell me what they're about. Next we have The Ant and the Grasshopper is one of the Aesop's most famous fables. So we're gonna skim and read the story silently to get the main idea. Read the story aloud in your group, one paragraph each, and understand all the words and use expressions. Here's a fact. Aesop lived in Greece in the 6th century BCE. No one's really sure where he came from, but Aesop comes from the Greek word Ethiop, which means Ethiopia, so that may be a clue. Here is a reading tip I'm going to give you. When you don't know what a word means, try these ideas. Break the words into syllables and look for a common root word, prefix, or suffix. Reread the word in context for extra clues. Use a dictionary and add the word to your wordbook. Now, this story I have read in the new podcast I have made. It's called Stories on the Square. So please go check that out. Now, we are going to discuss the story in the group and summarize the main idea of the story in 2 to 3 sentences. Who are the main characters and how are they different in what they say and do? The main characters are the grasshopper and the ant, and they're different because ant is a hard worker, while grasshopper is just a lazy one. One character learns something important. What was it? That he should have collected food in the summer and not waited until winter. Now, which character do you think behaved the best? Use examples to explain your view, which I'm going to leave it to you guys in the comment section down below. Who would you rather be friends with, ant or grasshopper? I would rather be friends with ant. Now, fables are found in many cultures and folklore traditions. What have you learned about fables from the story? Write a fable fact file in your notebook, and these words are here to help you. Short, moral, human, characteristics, lesson, and story. Now the keywords are folklore, traditional stories and culture of group of people. Morale, something you learned from a story or event about how to behave. Fable fact file. Fables are usually the characters, the main point we can. Let's see what are your ideas in the comment section down below. Now we're going to discuss the other stories you might think may be fables. Now complete reading the log for the ant and the grasshopper. Is a is a story a good way of teaching this lesson? Explain your opinion. I think yes, it is a good way of teaching a lesson because other than long lecture, stories would be interesting. And that's it for today, and I will be seeing you tomorrow.